welcome to Simple Cook Eats channel here. I am doing the spicy noodle challenge. These are the noodles I'm using. And let's get into it. I already made it. I personally like my noodles a little crunchy, but I kind of made them a little soggy just so I could really get all the flavor. But first we're going to bless the food real quick. To that. Oh, dear rich Father, thank thee for this beautiful day. Thank thee for this food, and ask thee to please bless this food and bless us all, and say these things in the name of Jesus Christ, amen. All right, now dig into the food. Let's see. And by the way, I don't have no water and no crackers, no nothing, no chasers, okay? We're going straight. But let me get a sip of water before though. Okay, got this water. I'm just gonna take a sip right now because I'm a little scared. Okay. I think I'm ready. Wait, can't start without getting our hair out the way. It's about to get real. Elo, I remember when Elo went to Africa, she said that they don't blow their food. Like, if you blow your food, it's weird. So when she served her mission in Zimbabwe, like, usually they just put it in their food and they go, like, yeah. But I'm not built like that, so I'm gonna blow my food. Man. It's not even that hot. I mean, it do have a little tang to it. Got a little spice to it, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie about that, but it's not hot, like unbearable. I wanted something like knock me in the face, but this is all right. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually, I don't know. There we go. This is the heat that you need. If you want to make your noodles hot. Oh, that was really bouncy. Oh, my hair tie just came out. One time we were on a road trip. I think it was Victoria's rugby tournament inside San Antonio, like a long time ago. Oh, that is so ugly. That's just the bangs, but like I didn't want to put them back there up in front of my eyes because I'm gonna be eating, but at the same time I can't be showing too much. So, but yeah, we were going on a road trip, and what's it called? Oh yeah, we were at the gas station and this guy opened up his door and he had a Tabasco thing on his door. That's how you know you in Texas. Ooh. I forgot. I have like 3 slices of my mom's pineapple pie that she made like 2 days ago. About to cut that up and make it right now. Well, actually after this. It's pretty good though. I have to say I like the bowls, spicy noodle bowl. I like that better. I feel like that's more hot than this. So I've recently been like, I've not been locked in with braiding, but I've been trying to get back into it. The thing I struggle with is taking pictures after, like pictures and videos. I'd be so proud of it, just looking at it and being like, wow, you look good, you look good. And then I just, but yeah. And yeah, if y'all are in the DFW area or Salt Lake City, if there's enough in Salt Lake City, I'm able to fly down. But let me go grab my journal actually, so I can do a full-on scripture study right here. Okay, so this is my journal that I got from Walmart. It's not really like only a Bible study journal, but it's like also just random stuff. Like right here, oh wait, just okay. Oh yeah, we're just like, it's not only a scripture journal. I kind of have it for everything. Like I'm planning to try to get like little post-it, like those little tiny post-it things, and put them in the page and color coordinate by like, if it's like more about spiritual, if it's just like a random fun fact. Cause sometimes I'll be seeing cool stuff and then like cool, interesting facts, and I just write it down real quick. Go look back at it later and do more digging maybe. Sometimes. But yeah, I really recommend getting a journal. Let's go to my verse of the day for today. My verse of the day for today was Psalm 56:3. What time I am afraid, I will trust in thee. In God I will praise his word. In God I have put my trust. I will not fear what flesh can do unto me. Every day they wrest my words. All their thoughts are against me for evil. And I chose this verse specifically. It stuck out to me because I often find myself playing it safe in life. Like I won't take risks or opportunities, like yeah, just simple opportunities, big or small, just because of the fear of, most of the times, fear of failure or fear of something. And I need to start putting my faith like into works, like I'll be in tough situations and then catch myself like not just trusting and putting it in God's hands. And that's what I need to start doing more often, is just trusting in God. There was another verse I seen, is just not to worry. What will be, will be. So I had to unexpectedly end this video short, but before I leave, I just wanted to drop and leave this verse with you as well. I just felt like it kind of went hand in hand with what I was talking about. I'll just leave it here for y'all to, take what you want from it and hopefully apply it to your daily lives. Thanks y'all for tuning in. God bless.